Caitlin. What are you doing? Here, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Are you reading your books? You reading your books? What's on that page? That was a rabbit. Yeah, that was a rabbit. I'm reading my books, Mommy. I'm reading my books. Yeah. I like my books. I like to chew on my books. There's a starfish and a rabbit and a snail. All sorts of animals in your book, isn't it? Oh, and that's a rhinoceros. Yeah, we know that book really well. What's that? That's the doggy saying, bow, wow, wow. And the kitty cat saying, meow. Right? The kitty cat says, meow. Okay, tell everyone bye. I wanted to just read my books. Gonna read my books some more. Okay, bye-bye.